don't throw them. Damn, that is sweet, bro. Namaskar, my name is Vinesh. In this video, I'm just gonna react to Block and Dino feat Dhanushree, Kollane. It's like a T20, like a supportive song, you can just say, just like the theme song which I reacted to from the Sri Lanka cricket channel. So many of you guys requested this in my DMs, and many of you guys in my comment section just Vinesh react to Block and Dino feat Dhanushree. And you guys also, like everyone who just mentioned like something they said about plastics. I don't know what does that mean. I think like for awareness, like don't use plastic or something, I don't know, but you guys said in the comment section and my Instagram DMs, they said something about plastics and all that. So you guys said, so you guys highly recommended, so I decided to react to in this short recording session. So let's get in. And just like Apekolo, damn, that theme is fire, man. So let's check out this one. Also my brother Dhanushree, when I started back in the day, the first artist who I reacted to, Sri Lankan artist, when I started reacting to Sri Lankan music, is Dhanushree. So he is back again. Also Block and Dino. So honestly, Block and Dino, they are YouTubers from Sri Lanka. I also reacted to one of their videos, Couple Was. You can check it out in my playlist. It's been a while. I know they're the one. I mean, only few YouTubers I reacted to, and they are the one which you guys requested. So let's check out this one. Before getting into the reaction, I just want to say, if you're new and if you're not part of the V Gang La Family, as I call my subscribers as V Gang, join the V Gang by hitting the subscribe button along with the notification bell. Do follow me in my social medias like Instagram. You can like in my Facebook page. All these little things not even takes a fraction of a second, man. But if guys do so, much love, adare. You guys are the best. Keep supporting, man. You guys are the best. I really mean it. And what other videos should I react to and everything? Put it down in the comment section. I'll try to react as soon as possible. With being said, let's dive into the video. Let's go, begin. Okay.
Hi guys. Thanks for meeting us today. So guys, we are looking
okay, they are Block and Dino.
We want to touch on our love for cricket, passion for the game. We also should do something for the World Cup.
Yes, but we also need to talk about fugitive plastics and getting people to be more responsible when disposing.
Oh.
True, but we should also be mindful that it's not just about plastic, but it's about the cricket and motivating the team.
Yeah, but
it's like awareness. They wanted to
story about the players' kit,
starting of the
recycled plastic collected from around the country.
Wow.
So guys, you think
that's awesome.
Pick something fun,
really
creative, inspiring, putting all of these things together.
Plastics, the jersey cloth.
Can do.
Nice, man. Nice awareness. Yeah, there we go. That is sweet. Nice, man. It's been a real while since I reacted to my brother, the Dhanushree. So let's see. Okay. Chill jam. Hey. Losing 8 an option. Yo, bro, Dhanushree, I didn't expect. He started with like a soothing, chill vibe, and he turned into like a little rap. I really loved that. Really awesome. I also loved whatever they include when it comes to awareness about plastics. That's a real issue, man. I know, but it's a good thing. And also, what they said, like it's really a surprise for me. Like the T-shirts of the Sri Lankan cricket team is like made from plastics, waste plastics all around like Sri Lanka. Is it like true, guys? Let me know more information on that. So glad to hear that. And yeah, let's go. Hey. Yeah, man. Nice awareness though. Okay. Did you guys see that? Like he just mentioned everything about, but he just says condoms are good. Okay, bro, you got me right there. Don't throw them. Damn, that is sweet, bro. Damn, I love the rap part, that is sweet. $30,000. True, man. See, no plastics.
Siri, not Siri. I'm not Siri. Sorry.
That is really... Hey, nice jam though, man. That is sweet, bro.
Thank you so much. Cricket book ka sindhu akasse. Plastic ke paake lal deka. Ebu kohoma block ke lele.
Nice, man. They did a real good job. Awesome. I love the whole concept of the awareness and also the thing what they just mentioned. Really good to know that. Really good initiative. You know, always gotta care for the mother nature, man. Of course, say no to plastic. Like do whatever we can to possibly. It's a good thing, man. Nice. Good job.
Thank you.
Lions against plastics. Change is courage. Also, man, how much views you got? 373k, guys. I'm gonna like the video. See, already I subscribed to them. Like back in the day when I reacted to. So always I support the artists or the creators who I react to. So go check out this Kollane. Also do let me know what is the meaning of Kollane. I didn't notice. I didn't translate. So let me know. Yeah, guys, that was awesome collaboration. I also loved the Tanishri part, man. Like how we just started with the like soothing part and just turned into a little rap part. Really loved that. And like really loved that. Tanishri, good job, bro. And Blanc and Dino, really good job. Just to say the awareness. Like even it's a little awareness from a music video or wherever it is, it just changes a person, like whoever sees it. So it's always good to just put out the awareness whenever you can, like either it's a music video or like it's in a movie, like wherever possible, in a newspaper, so that like, people like get reminder of that. Like if you go to a restaurant, they just put you like if you just order a juice, they put you plastic straw and give to you, but you don't care, you just drink. But next time, like after seeing this music video or anything which just acts as awareness, you will think about it. Okay, it's a plastic, I should not use it. So that's a good thing. Really loved it, guys. Good job. And thank you for letting me know. I really had a good time. If you guys also had a good time watching my reaction, give a thumbs up in this video and share this video to the maximum. If you're new around it, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification, follow me in my social medias like Instagram and Facebook, all link in the description, so make sure to show some love. Much love, Adare to all my Sri Lankan subscribers. Keep supporting, and Boma Sutiti, Nandri to all my subscribers who really support me. Means a lot, man. You guys are the best. Much love. Yes, that's pretty much it. With being said, I'm just going to end this video right as always. I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye bye.